Hey everyone, so we're still on our function unit here, and today we're going to be evaluating functions from a graph. Sounds more complicated than it is. So when we are evaluating functions of a graph, we're going to be given a function, and sometimes we're going to be given an input, sometimes we're going to be given an output, and we're going to be asked to find what we don't have. So if they give us an input, sometimes they'll ask us to find the output, and vice versa. So in this case, we have this piece of information. It says find the value of f of 7. So here we know y is equal to f of x. Remember, with function notation, whatever is inside these parentheses is equal to x. So this is the same as saying x equals 7. Okay, so that's what our first step is. Identify the given x value. It is the input of the function. So we know x is equal to 7. So now all we have to do is look at our graph and go to where x is 7. So don't pay attention to the y-axis. We're only paying attention to our x-axis here. So where x is 7, and then we're going to find the point on that function where x is 7. So here you can see this is the point that I'm searching for, where x is 7. So I just went straight down. And here is our point right here. So this is the point 7, comma, and if we take a look, our y value is -4. So what it's asking for is just the y value of this point. That is our output. Remember, y is an output. So when x is 7, y is equal to -4, and that is our answer. So basically, f of 7 is equal to -4. When our input is 7, our output is -4. All right, let's take a look at another example. So it's asking us to do the same thing, find the value of f of -2. So this is telling us that our input value, our x value, is -2, and we want to know what our y value is when x is -2. So I'm going to go to my x-axis, and here is where x is -2. Now I'm going to go down to that function, find that point, which is right here, right there, and that is the point -2, comma, -7. So our y value at that point is -7. So that means f of -2 is equal to -7, and that is it. So all you have to do is find your input value on the function and tell us what that output value is based on that coordinate.